throttle, car width out, look for the centre, keep that bit of throttle on, back in, straighten up, let's go. Nice and tight, now out. Off the brake, tighten up. Bring it in, little bit of throttle now, start to let it come. Lovely, straighten up, let's go. Good, beautiful. Now blend off, and a touch the throttle. Now let it come out, a little more throttle and it'll push you out.
Oh yeah.
And now straighten. Do you feel that?
Yeah.
When you didn't need to change your steering angle, you can use the throttle to do it. Off the brake now, let it roll. Now gentle throttle, keep it coming. A little more throttle, bring her in nice and tight. Now open the steering and add throttle.
Brake's a bit hard there because the ABS cutting.
Oh, strange. So eyes forward. You can see your turn board. Keep coming, keep coming, keep coming. Now brake. Off the brake, roll. Don't lose the line, little bit of throttle, middle, more throttle, waiting, in, build. Back on, more throttle and out. Off the brake, but keep coming. Now a bit of throttle and in. Tighter, gentle brake, blend off, throttle, out, build, straighten, go. A bit early on the brakes,
yeah.
So blend off, balance throttle, touch more, let it pull you, back in, start to straighten. Don't brake till you hit the 200-metre board.
Oh, that is fucking.
Now
scary.
blend off. Off.
Oh, sorry.
Out. Now a bit of throttle. In. Go. It's fine.
Yeah, if you say so.
You can change your trousers later. It'll be alright. Think of the line. Now off the brake, but keep coming. Keep coming. Now little throttle and in. Now middle. Middle. Back in, build throttle. Straighten up. Go. Throttle. Let it roll. Now a little throttle and in. Excellent. Off the brakes. Build. Blend and off and balance. A little more and it'll pull you out. Start to straighten now. Good. Feel how opening the steering and adding throttle there just took the pressure off the car.
Yeah.
Keep coming. Brake. Now blend already. Now off the brake. Let it roll. All the way out. Bit of throttle. Touch more as you come in. Now build and open the steering. Shows you're going a bit quicker. stay left, straight line, off the brake, roll. Balance throttle now. In, middle, middle, in, straight. There, you got it. Best you've done that.
More traction control there.
Yeah. And that's because you could have opened the steering a little sooner than you did. Keep coming. Brakes. Off, stay, in, throttle. More. Blend, in, balance, build, out. Blend, off, balance. A little more now, let it come. Looking, opening the steering a touch and out, and go.
Eased off early, yes.
I understand, yeah. Now off the brake, let it roll. Over you go. Now a little more throttle as you turn in. Now build the throttle, open the steering. Stay left, don't follow him. Off the brake, bring it in. Tight, back, throttle, build, straighten, go.
More traction control.
Keep coming. Off the brake, let it roll. Little throttle now. Middle, bit more throttle, he'll give you purchase. In, out. Tighter, out. In, little throttle, now let it come, build it, look for your exit, go, flat, straight,
Thank you.
I only did that in case he pulled in.
Yeah.
Keep coming. Okay, off the brake, let it roll, over, bit of throttle, in, more throttle, straighten. Blend, patience, now a little throttle, now straighten. Straight line, off the brake, let it roll, keep coming, bit of throttle now. Middle, bit more throttle, middle, in, straight.
Oh, well, we've got some balance there.
Off, throttle, in, out. Keep coming, brakes. Off, but stay left, throttle, in tight. Off, in, balance, build, start to open a bit, more throttle and let it come out. Blend and off and balance and build a bit now. Look for the exit space, start to open the steering and go. Let it roll all the way, bit of throttle again, tuck her in, build, and checkered flag by the looks of it. Fantastic. Hey, high
session.
five, mate.
Cheers. We were flying.
Awesome. Your
Yeah.
best session.
Thank you.
How'd it feel?
Great. Really like we hooked up, and it felt very fast. Yeah, it felt parts of it were scary. Like here on the limit, it felt as we came out here.
Yep.
It felt about here. The front end was starting to lose traction, but I'm winding out here, just going with it. It seemed.
Yeah,
fine with that.
exactly. Just slow hands.
Yeah. Well, we were approaching this at 120 at one point.
Yeah, exactly. Car will do it.
Yeah. The driver won't know.
Well, you did once. You
Did
went
I?
through that at 120.
Did I? Wow. Cool. Maybe I should turn the speedo off. And...
Probably. Yeah, great session. Well done.
Thank you. Yeah, I'm pleased with that. Really enjoyed that.
Yeah, well, you should be. That was good. It was nicely controlled, properly quick. Braking was better.
I did notice we were getting quite a lot of traction control interfering as we were exiting from here. So it's obviously just saying I can't get my power down.
Yeah, and that's because you're being a bit more positive with the controls, because you suddenly understood after that one go when I got you to put the power on more, that actually you can use the throttle to aid steering as opposed to having to always input steering.
Yeah. He did well. Didn't get past him, did we?
I don't know what the gap was between us. I think he came out a few cars after us, so you caught him up.
Cool.
But no, he's doing all right, isn't he?
Yeah. So his first track day.
Yeah.